Good PM. Ngayon po ay Tuesday, November 18, 2025 at ito po ang mga resulta ng 2 PM draw result ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto, 2 PM draw result ngayon Tuesday, November 18, 2025. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number ang lumabasan para sa 2D Lotto 2 PM. 3D Lotto, 2 PM draw result ngayong November 18, 2025 Tuesday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero ang lumabasan para sa 3D Lotto 2 PM. 'See you again later' for 5 PM draw result of 2D Lotto and 3D Lotto for Tuesday, November 18, 2025. Here are the today's jackpot estimates of Lotto 642 is 5.9 million pesos. Super Lotto 649 estimated jackpot price is 15.8 million pesos. And Ultra Lotto 658 estimated jackpot price is 125 million pesos for November 18, 2025, Tuesday. Thank you for watching this 2 PM video for afternoon of Tuesday, November 18, 2025. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.